Okay, these are two smaller springs that I found out of my spring pile that are out of a photocopier. These are the originals. They're a lot stiffer. They're perfect match. These ones are of a photocopier or a printer, I'm not 100% sure. Just zoom in on that, but you can see that there. The originals are exactly the same, but these ones are a lot looser. So I'm not sure if that's running too slow now, but I'm sure the YouTube Brains Trust and the forum that I'm on will give me some advice on that. There's some more springs I can show you. Going through all my springs that I've collected over the years, and they're the two on here that I found out of that pile that fit really good. Now that was without, just zoom in on them, that was without any stretching or having to make them. They were just out of that little drawer of springs. That goes really easy. So you saw how slow it's running now. I'm not sure whether to have one of them. Anyway, I'll just keep on mucking around. But there it is, the M90 running a lot slower than yesterday's video. Okay guys, as always, thanks for watching.